Hi folks, this is Jack with House Masters LLC, and this set of doors here, I'm getting ready to put a set of dummy knobs on. That's what the video is about. This used to have a 3.0 door, and now I have a double pair of 18-inch hung-in pair doors. I got new hinges on them on both sides, also set ball catches in at the top so that they can catch properly. And now it's in time of getting the dummy knobs set in place. So I'm going to get this camera set right, and hopefully I won't block my own view. But these dummy knobs come with a template already, and I'm going to go ahead and take advantage of that because, well, I can measure back to 2 3/8 and drop a vertical line, but this is a pretty handy device right here to have. All I need is just a center line, which I already have established here at 36 inches above the floor, above the bottom of the door in particular. And then with that, I level over and put the other mark also onto the other door so that both knobs, when they go on, will be level to each other. So with that, I'm going to mark this center line and put that onto this mark that I have at the door so I can get both of them set exactly the way it's supposed to be. All right, this is what I got. I got the template folded on the back set of 2 3/8 already. It shows it for the 2 3/4 and the 2 3/8. So I got it set for the typical residential setback. And I have my center line here, and I also created a center line on this template between these two screw holes where they say the screw holes are 1 5/8 apart. So I took the half of an inch, and well, it's a ½ inch, and then half of 5/16 and added them together. And that's my 5/16 mark there. I have to do it that way. Can't figure out stuff that easy. So between that and getting that on that mark right there that I have, there's my center line mark there. There's my center line mark there. And it should be just as easy as popping that right there. When I go ahead and move it over to the other side, you can see what I'm doing. All right, and this is what I got. I got that center line marked out again right there. And that's ready for this side. And I have a magnetic tip on my screw gun, so it'll hold the screw on without it, I don't have to keep my hand on it. It makes it a lot easier to start screws. I'm going to feed it into a hole already, and then line it up with that hole that I just polished and run that in. And then I'll take the knob and swing it over where it's lined up with the other hole right there. And that's that one. Got one more to do. Again, started in the hole ahead of time, lining up with the hole that's already pre-drilled on the door. And let me get that started. It made a lot of noise. Get this one lined up. There it is. Okay, that's good there. That one's actually, the movement on that is actually the knob to the escutcheon, so that's pretty good right there. I gotta redo this screw. What had happened, I did not watch how I was putting the screw in, And when it started, it actually was going up in the air, so it would make it very difficult for the screw tip, because the screw tip by its nature wants to go at an angle this way, but the screw actually went in upwards slightly. It found either some harder grain even though I piloted, but it'll do that. Sometimes it'll just zip up and go up in the air, and I had to re-drill the hole to get it to go in the angle that I wanted it to. But that's how you put these together. Very simple process, nothing that anybody shouldn't be able to tackle themselves. I just wanted to do this video just to show you how simple it is. So if you want to put something like that on, set of dummy knobs for your home, it's just that easy, folks. Until next time, this is Jack with House Masters. See you later.